we've moved the crafting videos outside since it's so beautiful out. So today we are not making slime, even though we have some of the same ingredients. We're going to be making a calming glitter bottle or glitter jar, which is a really fun activity. And it does use some of the same things that slime uses, not any chemicals, but it uses the clear Elmer's glue, glitter, anything you have around the house to add. Like I happen to have some of these little beads, but you could add a button or a little figure. I'm going to be showing you how to make it using a regular water bottle, but you can adapt the ingredients and make it in a soda bottle or in a smaller bottle, like maybe a hand sanitizer bottle that you've used up. So the main things that you need are warm water, just warm tap water, warm to hot, clear Elmer's glue or whatever glue you have, and glitter. Those are basically, and the water bottle is basically what you need. So let's get started. So in case you want to use a funnel to make it a little easier, I just cut a paper or a plastic cup. I cut the bottom off, I cut the side, I squeezed it together, I don't know if that's a real word, to make a small opening, and I taped it so that way when we're pouring stuff, if you don't have a funnel, that will help it go into the bottle and not all over the table. So let's get going. So the glue, you need about 20% glue to 80% warm water. So what I did was I took 1/3 cup of water and I put it in my plastic bottle, and I just drew a line so I could see what 1/3 cup looked like, because 1/3 cup is roughly 20% of a 16-ounce bottle. And I did the same thing over here. And again, we're going to be possibly adding more water, more glue as you do your glitter to see how you like the rate at which it falls. So let's get started. I'm going to do this one first. There's the line. Here's my glue. I'm going to do this one first, actually. So as you can see, I filled my clear glue up to my first line. And now I'm going to add a little bit of warm water. I'm just going to give it a preliminary shake to mix it up. If you look closely, you can see that the glue and the water is kind of congealing a little bit. Now the fun and messy part. I am going to put in some glitter. Now, I always feel like the more glitter the better, but you want to go slow at this point because you could always add more and you can't take out. So here, my daughter had some fun star glitter left from her slime making days. Now I'm going to add more warm water. It's okay if there's some bubbles. Now you don't want to fill it up to the tippy top. You want to leave room to add either more glue or more water, because that will adjust the time that it takes for the glitter to actually fall. Now we want to mix it all around. This is starting to really look like a glitter jar, like a calming jar. It's also known as a galaxy jar. Can you guys see what's going on there? Got to get the stuff out of the bottom, and the bubbles will settle. And the water will be clear. Now, if you want, at this point, we can go ahead, wait until that settles. You could go ahead and add some dye if you want, some food coloring. I'm going to keep mine clear, but can you see how slowly the glitter is falling and how relaxing it is to look at it. So let's let the bubbles settle a little bit, and then I'm gonna add more water to the top. So as you can see, the bubbles have settled. I added more water. When these bubbles settle down, there'll be about a ½ inch of space at the top, which you want until you know you're 100% done. So right now, I'm just dropping some jewels in. Some different colored jewels. I think that's all I'm gonna do for mine, but you see how some of them don't fall right away? There's a couple at the top. At this point, if you did not like the rate that your glitter settled, if you wanted to settle faster, you would add more water. If you wanted to settle slower, you would add more glue. So I am just gonna top it off before I seal it up. Don't want to block your view. Now, an adult is gonna have to put some either hot glue or Gorilla Glue or some sort of super duper glue and help you seal the top, because we don't wanna open this, ever. Now let's see what happens.